How's it going, guys? It's K-Cars, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing my ZL1 Addons Diffuser that I got for this 2016 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. Now, I also did get the rock guards for this car, also from ZL1 Addons. If you haven't checked out my videos about those products, then you definitely want to go check those out. I posted those the past 2 weeks. I actually released 2 videos about those products. The first one was an unboxing video, just like this one. And the second one was actually an installation tutorial. So if you want to go check those out, make sure you definitely go do that. Those videos are on my channel. I tried to give you guys kind of a beginner's perspective on how to install them, because I'm pretty much a beginner when it comes to stuff like this. So if you're also a beginner, it's probably going to be a helpful video. So make sure to go check those out. And now let's get on with the unboxing of the diffuser. So as you guys see, this is the diffuser that I got. It actually does have some weight to it. Let's see, maybe these are the instructions. Nope, it's not. But yeah, this thing feels really solid. Yeah, it looks like there's no instructions, but there was an installation tutorial on the ZL1 Addons website. So luckily I already did watch that, so I kind of have an idea of what to do. So these things are actually the little pieces that are going to attach to the cross member of the differential. Then this is going to attach to this part of the diffuser, so it holds it up that way. And then right here it's going to attach to the existing bolts that are already kind of under the car. I'm not really sure what to call it. But yeah, that's what it looks like on the bottom. I'm definitely going to have to clean that before I install it, just to make it look nice. The tape kind of did leave some marks there. I'll probably just, I don't know, I guess I'll try to use some rubbing alcohol. I'm not sure what would work the best for that. But yeah, there's the unboxing. So guys, like I said, this is just going to be a really short unboxing video of the diffuser that I just got. I'm going to be filming a whole installation tutorial right after this, so you guys definitely don't want to miss that. That video is going to go live next week, so you definitely want to subscribe to not miss that video. And that video is going to be like a full in-depth tutorial on how to actually install the diffuser. I'm really excited to see what it's going to look like, because I've seen a picture of a Hellcat with that diffuser and it looked so good. And like I said in the beginning of this video, I don't really have much experience with installing stuff like this, so I'm pretty much a beginner. So if you want a beginner's perspective on how to install stuff like this, then you're definitely watching the right channel. So you definitely want to go ahead and subscribe to see my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching. Installation tutorial goes live next week.